Uno take in life and the man beg and play and tell you no sorry, I no take in life. You think you can come take my life? I saw when me come out come talk to Akeem them a fish. That same public defender they when you blood clot Nicholas. Nicholas I first Batman for carry Akeem and blood clot and Javiga Panama go fuck out them bottom. Buy them how much shoes. Them could have go open up one shoe store. Buy how much shoes. You could have go open up one shoe store. How much blood clot phone and clothes. When you look them come down like them blinging. Yeah. And Rolex and them something that them a get. Me I tell you the truth. Akeem, Nicholas fly them out. Go fuck them off. Blood clot, Akeem did that with one of them. I man Akeem follow go get blood clot. My man Javi go get the Tinkerbell tattoo where you see. Ask them where Tinkerbell tattoo mean what upon them belly so. I will inspire them to get that tattoo. You can't send no man for me. Cause me no fuck out of my bottom, I fuck out of my hole. So when your batty man them come my back door lock the only thing that you could have send them for come do a come fuck my batty wall. Cause you can't send no man come lick me. All on the batty man do a promise people. Promise. And from 2015 you know promise me box and kick down for talk out of my mouth. And I'll know. When Akeem and Javi go live, ask them what the Tinkerbell tattoo stand for. Ask them. Ask them who inspired them to get that tattoo. Nicholas mind them like dog. Nicholas coming like the yeah. Send me. Yeah. Bomba Cloud, they want to give me for church. Come suck out. My bulletproof old dirty batty boy. You can't do me nothing. Oh, I'm have a black angel. Can you sit down pan live with the people them? Alright. What's that video?
Every man up there is up now. A still Batman them, but them are the woman Batman. Them take fuck. You know saying that Batman is him?
You see this? Love me, do you want you show me it when the date? Me do you want you show them the date? This look. Somebody repost this. What kind of live this sir? Instagram live or TikTok live this sir? 2,600 people are watch me from them time. I pop mine. I don't know what kind of live this is for TikTok or Instagram. 2,600 people. Them time them name Glow Sensation. You see how me look? A long time I talk about the batty boy them.
Yeah,
me know them secret.
The Batman will give fuck and you have the Batman will take fuck. So you have the one them where give fuck in a them man clothes same way, but you still see feminine pan them. While you have the other one them will pretend to be like a girl, a man a lap up with man. Man a snap man. One look up.
I thought freeze so. I was screen record this sound, no good.
Akeem and figure it.
Hey, when you screen record things, when you keep blood clot, good internet. Can I mix up and can't have good internet?
Akeem and figure it out a long time baddie man.
Every man up there is up now. A still Batman them, but them are the woman Batman. Them take fuck. You know saying a Batman is him. You have a
love them video short. Them just repeat themselves. You know have a long one.
Take fuck. So you have the one them where give fuck in a them man clothes same way, but you still see feminine pan them. While you have the other one them will pretend to be like a girl, a man a lap up with man a snap man.
It's on YouTube.
One part over this, so man a suck off man cocky over this. So now tell me what a straight man are doing at that part.
Pause a little bit. When me did come talk my story one night, yeah, me never did say you have man over this upon head top. Me name did say you have man a dagger man. Me name did say you have man over one part of suck off hood. My story never changed and them here from Instagram blood clot days. Nothing no change, nothing no putty, nothing no adult. You know a real blood clot batty man. And you want come kill me now for talk. Come now.
Upon Quiet Perry, he acts very feminine, but I don't. You have one man named Gary. Act feminine, but him.
You can't watch this, cause too much pause. Go on YouTube, you see full video. My story never blood clot change with Uno. And if you go on, let me see if I can find it when Nicholas cussed me off when me come talk his story. Him send me let me see if I can find him. Hold on. What the spelling name? Nicholas Gay. Cursing Ivany.
I tell people want to expose the girl. This girl sent me a video last night. She don't know me from Adam. She said, Vani, I said that video I'm after saying. She sent me, blue, my post it.
I'm telling you, I take my life to talk.
You are going to come text me now, say, oh, me love problem. I said, what kind of problem? That if you post a video, yes, I never have to post it. So what?
You tell me I have receipt for them, you know. You are going to tell me about post receipt now.
Ivany, you build the blood clot video. But Ivany,
I don't need build video.
wait a man. How can a coincidence that for that girl that just send you a video so one Rummy in the night in a Rummy inbox. J Alu the night like in a J Alu inbox. There's a post. They just sell them story. I suppose them. So all the coincidence for the one girl can sell them video and them two.
You want me to expose the girl? You want me to expose the girl and slay the girl? You want me to tell the girl no more?
Him name Nicholas where I fuck them. Him, seen them? I am did a live to the pan, I track them to the pan, Angel live.
The facts still remain. The facts still remain.
Come and leak them dirty knees, they want kill me long time.
But everybody have posted. Everybody have posted the video.
No.
Everybody have posted the video.
Hold on. Everyone posted, but it's coming from your page.
So what about my page? What's about my page? A personal. I can't post it. Everybody have posted.
Hold on. Everyone who come in my inbox, them said, I'm telling this, Ivany, you know me live comfortable. I don't know well, alright. So when you have a repost it, I don't know you post it, I've done everybody. Now guess what? If the
Talk over, you have to talk over.
Me, I get mad for him.
If the boy they want to post them can't go back home. They never clean art and they will always.
You mean them can't go back home?
No, we not post them. We not post them in the video. We not build one. We not build video with them.
Him take care of all of them.
Listen, this is the second time a video post. It's not the first time a video make with them. They make a video the first time. Somebody said me in an Instagram.
My defend them, he might cuss me off and say he kill me off. And me and him tear it down. You see how respectful me did I be and him telling?
Your arms are pretty up things. Your arms are blood clot pretty up things. You observe that.
Pretty up things, oh. See a video with a Batman and post it at a pretty up things.
But the whole of them fuck you. But Ivany, the whole of them blood clot fuck you.
You can cuss me off.
And if the whole of them fuck me, oh it hurts you.
You shouldn't be ashamed for blood clot.
Oh it hurts you.
You shouldn't be ashamed for blood clot post them. Ivany, one of them fuck you and you post them. So the Batman, they catch them, I don't know. They catch them on a blood clot, man. Ivany, they catch them on a man.
Javi fuck me. Javi. And Javi was
the whole of them fuck you. The whole of them fuck you. But alright then.
The whole of them come down for me and want to kill me and if post video with Chad. You see that video where them attack so then did a post a video with blood clot, Akeem, Javi, Nicholas, Snow, and the whole of them they are Panama and a one blood clot BNB, a giggle and gaggle. Akeem, Javi, Nicholas, Snow, and the whole of the Batman, everybody where you know is a real Batman. And them and Javi and Akeem did they now one BNB over Panama. Me low-key get the video and post the video. Blood clot, they want to kill me. And me could come out of my yard. Because me say me no want nobody take my life, me now go outside chat. Me up on my live I explain myself. Everybody share the video and they have a problem. Hold on. I'ma block you. That make no sense. Leave. Everybody share the video. And them like them I said, through me have a bigger platform, me should have shared the video. And if the boy them can't go home, him have a good heart, him I take them in. Them start cuss me off when you look. Could hear them say them a send man to kill me off.
Fuck me not a pussy. Everything fuck me not a one pussy. Come beat me your body line them.
Ivany. But you shouldn't be ashamed for posting video, girl. Cause again, if Mr. them put up the body boy, them would ashamed for posting. Are you reposting on a shame? Ivany me come a Barbados, see a blood clot and I need a pole. Ivany me come a Barbados, see and I need a pole. Move your tongue on your blood clot. Remember your name of them batty wall. Ivany, remember your name of them batty wall.
They want to kill me off, it talk, chat.
With your blood clot in the man in here. Me a go connect with that man in here. I should have posted about them for the boy them fuck you. Cause me never posted about them and know see them a blood clot. Batty boy, Ivany. Move your blood clot, Ivany. But you're not Barbados to dance. Go. Go. You should have shame for your post the boy them. How you feel?
You lotion my
I feel nice, man.
I
feel wonderful.
Me phone that you alright. You can't come Jamaica. Remember me telling you can't come Jamaica.
In a moment.
You can't come Jamaica, blood clot. Remember me telling you can't come Jamaica.
Ever old, man.
You can't come Jamaica. You should never post the boy them back. Cause when you see the videos, download the videos and eat them fuck me. No girl, me a blood clot. Wait till me see you go say girl. You think a blood clot you can follow a beat you? You think a blood clot you can follow a beat you? You think a blood clot you can follow a beat you?
You have so much followers. Pinky have over 200 odd followers. Why you don't go and for them pay?
No, I'm ask for you because them fuck you. I ask for blood clot you. Cause one of them fuck you. I ask for blood clot you.
You can meet me at Clat Airport and do this.
When somebody you know me can't come Barbados to pick up for the pool. Tell me which club they dance to Barbados.
Oh, it hurts you. You're not the video. You're not the video.
It burn me in a blood clot and that's how you look dead.
Me know every day they know me the expose the video. As me get the video, me post it blood and it make him a cuss me off. Cause me the post the video.
No blood clot. You see them one pressure full of AIDS, no blood clot. AIDS on your mouth, your blood clot. Gonorrhea, syphilis, everything on your mouth, your blood clot. Ivan, you are one bed, your blood clot.
Put me there.
You are one bed. Show me the hole.
Then cuss me off. Let me see him find more. Then cuss me off.
Remember, it's a... Mama tell you the difference because I have sense. You know, might say I'm mad. Basically, when it come down to bubble down and reason and split things so people understand me.
Hey, they ought to keep me a flag of Barbados. Quick.
My point. Look on Quiet Perry.
Jesus, nobody can. Chat. Then try them if you kill me life, me that for flag of Barbados. Quick. Go swing pan pole. They want kill me at Jamaica. Cause me go expose the video with Akeem and the whole of them. They have to take me life. Me have to book a first flight and go to Barbados and go spend a 6 months over there till the cool down and dance pampol. Then he want to kill me off. And then get the chance to kill me because I fly out and cool off look away and come back. By the time I come back, Nicholas him gone back to Barbados and things cool down. Yeah. When you hear the Batman accuse me say me should post the video. You still not believe? How? You know hear the man a class me because me post the video. You know go Google it. Go up on YouTube, go do your research and find video if you up there. Go and go look. I post me as me get it, me post it. that it make him want to kill me off and I say, I should have post the boy them, and I should have post this, because them fuck me off and them eat me like pipe, but man, they eat me, they want to kill me off. They out for blood clot kill me, I have to fly out. And then, Nicholas sent threat to me, and say, make man box me up and thing. That one here when this was me not play that. Hey, chill before me come in there now. I not play that one the car was involved. And she's not the problem right now. Yeah, and true now. Me come talk about it what the year now. It make them was one come take my head. I mean if me report them, me send the video already go give me immigration officer. I send the video go give me immigration officer. Everybody come out. Let me see if I can. I never listen to all of the video, you know. Love did send me the video. Hey! Up on this. Hey! And for when me a chat to you, me pause my life in the car. I got deal with you, you know. Oh. Alright, watch.
Ever play with a man?
You can't know that. You can't know that.
So the video, listen to me. I tell you some of the things you mean, no? Angel. The other day, I was on a call, right? When I was on the call, when you go live, remember when you go live, no? Tiki. Remember when you go live, no?
Yeah, remember
Yeah,
when
all of them money, them afraid.
There was someone that's coming off of your head. Listen to me, Tiki. Only listen to me carefully.
All of them are going to get dropped.
Tiki, listen to me carefully. Tiki, when I was talking on the phone with Jane Akeem, everything planned between Rose and Daima and them.
Did somebody come after me head?
Listen to me now. Listen to me good.
Take it, Fred.
Read in your paper, and go to the comment, go to the live. Everybody who will not follow me, block them. Come here, try to control this thing.
This is a tiger one now. Angel, would you mind if you just left me Nicholas up here at the back? Come here, get this distracted. I'm more Nicholas.
Don't remove me, Angel. Angel, don't ever remove me. What do you mean by leave Angel and Nicholas? Me there before you.
Because Destiny, me never, Destiny,
Take it.
I know this, hold on. I'm going to on WhatsApp. I think I WhatsApp. What me get the video, you know. I'm going to see it.
He was like,
I'm going to on my fake page. Wait.
Ever play with a man?
You can't know that. You can't know that.
So the video, listen to me, I tell you.
People for free to talk out of them out. You see them, we probably put money on my head. Share talk, Vani talk, big one talk. To all them, they put money for them head too.
No, me over your head, them want to put it, because them say talk to me.
Also, if Vani them, I share them talk, a big one them talk, a truth. But me talk a lie.
Vani know what me keep. Vani know what me keep. I should not class me.
Where do you guys people for free to talk out of them out? You see them, we probably put money on my head. Share talk, Vani talk, big one talk. To all them, they put money for them head too.
No, me over your head, them want to put it, because them say talk to me.
Also, if Vani them, I share them talk, a big one them talk, a truth. But me talk a lie.
Vani know what me capable of doing. Vani know that.
So that means say you kill Naya for Javi and Akeem then. Because Naya and Javi come talk or Akeem about Naya come talk or Akeem about him man. And Akeem and Javi did so vex. So them carry the news to you and you kill Naya for them. Remember, you know? Remember, the people them say me no know no, but now Vanny know what you're capable of. So all me know what you're capable of doing, but me no know say no about it, man. Make it make sense. Me if you know you like that, if you know say you're capable of doing something. Right or wrong, chat? Me if you know you like that, if you know what you're capable of doing. So all me know what you're capable of doing, but me no know say you're about it, man. The whole I want know a fish in the blood clot song. Nicholas come suck out the deep. Dirty batty, man. Come suck out the deepest part of my rifle pussy. Come suck out the deepest part of my blood clot rifle pussy. Oh, but make know what you're capable of doing. You know, kill me like how you kill blood clot Naya batty, man. You know, kill me like how you kill Naya. Come suck out the deepest part of my pussy, and when you come for make man box me up. It's no me I walk with the gun in a baggie. When you make a man them come me and wait, and me gon' just need for rise my blood clot foot. All out the dead. Shutting out the body like blood clot nanny. Oh, I already know what you're capable of doing. Motherfucker. I say, I kill you. Want to come kill me off now, you know? You want to come kill me off now? As a man in light, I go report you now. Nicholas, me know your full name. Me know everything about you. And I call constable force in Jamaica. I make report on Akeem. And I make report on Javi. I'm a police friend too. Like that.
Vanny knows my band with a heart black. She know that. That's why Ivany. This Ivany go like she not class me.
Go suck your mother, Batty, man.
Nicholas, let them know me quick talk.
Go and suck out your mother.
I
got myself.
Big one, Ivany says the big one only talk things where there is no proof. The other day, big one, same 8 year. Big one, but the life, 8 year.
Go suck out your mama, me talk now. Pause. Go suck out the deepest part of your mama, Nicholas. All they do is take Batman is the money and trap you look a young boy them. Any young boy Nicholas want Nicholas get, and them not go for a long time Batman and be a freshman them go for. Instead I couldn't look a young guy, we have a look a nice clean boy them. I tell you what them do. May I know if them still do it, you know, but back in the time, back in the days, you look a young boy they love sweets. But then, you see now, may I tell you something, you see now, the young people them now, them not worry about fashion now. They mostly worry about jewelry and I worry about cars. And that them praise now. A man who taking last go buy a Rolex for just come hype. Or who taking last go buy a BMW or Benz. A car them mind upon, not even house, them mind upon car and jewelry and big chain. You see, back then, when the whole we used to run things and back then, a clothes I do it. Clothes and shoes and phone. Blood clot Nicholas buy out the whole of young boy them. When you look, Akeem and Javi have shoes can open up a shoe store. Akeem and Javi have clothes can open up a clothes store. Nicholas used to send millions to Jamaica go give them. Whole of the little young Batman them. Jody, what's up? Guys, hold on. Make sure y'all follow the one and only Jody Couture. Me a pin her page chat. Wanna follow her. She have the good bodysuit them. I talk about the nice, clean bodysuit them. We sit on for you. $40 for them and the things them. I tell you some nice suit. I want in a shape like Rosalie. I want in a shape like Rosalie. You can go buy them and look good. A $40 for them. Nice, clean. Make sure you go buy them. Cute.
I'm excited too.
You see that? Sit down, pan you. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you go buy them. Nicholas used to take the whole of the money. Yeah, man, go and go buy them. $40 up them nice. Nicholas take the whole, see our page, the follower, me just spin it. Nicholas take the whole of the millions them send go Jamaica. Go buy out Akeem. Buy out, you see a little security one, you see a batty man them, batty blood clot man them. Go fuck them and next thing you see ginger flyer follow your pussy next day. Me I tell you take it from me. Me I tell you. And you wanna go lay down with one of our friend them a pirate Javi them. I promise you ginger fly take your pussy by your morning. I promise you ginger fly take your pussy by your morning. Them a batty man. You did have two little one that we used to par with Javi and par with Kimani. All of a sudden, all of them reach a Panama. You see when them go Panama and one of them go Panama, all 10 of them, 10 man. You never can see a blood clot woman, not even a sodomite, them not par it. Not even a sodomite. You know, so when you see Batman, you see sodomite. I like them always go together. Bush, 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 butch, butch, butch. You will always say, Jody, if you comment against some opinion, you will always say Batman and Bush them together. And them par together. You never see them with a woman. Always man are 10 of them. One video did come out. I tell you. One video did come out when them there Panama. All of them the in a one in the living room. You know, I make the video go viral because everybody knows snow. Everybody know me. I look for she comment again. Everybody knows snow, and everybody knows that snow gay. You don't know snow. One of the hottest gay them boy. Everybody knows snow and knows that snow about him, man. Snow there in the living room, and when you look at Javi in there, Akeem in there. Alright. You're not Batman. We all know snow Batman. Snow in a one BNB, we are Panama. Oh, you reach a Panama for in the same BNB with Batman. We understand it's a coincidence can go on, yes. Oh, you reach. If you did say you did go one BNB at Jamaica and a coincidence mad invite you go book them up, that's fine. But it's a coincidence where you have to buy a ticket from Jamaica, go to Panama, till you book the same BNB, till you not take a blood clot Uber for guard the BNB, till you reach at the BNB, till you will allow to sit down right in the blood clot living room in the BNB and sip on blood clot champagne. What a coincidence. A 1 week straight to the day at the BNB for. All blood clot, Nicholas used to go live. Javi now go live, Akeem now go live. But it's true, Nicholas has spend the money and Nicholas have the talk. Nicholas used to go live on Instagram and have the whole of them over there. You see when I come back and I remember all the video, you know one WhatsApp group. We have one blood clot WhatsApp group where we chat people business over there. We have plan to take down pink wall. And we have a look of Varney sensation. We look up Varney people them in a one WhatsApp group. One girl, me don't know how she blood clot get the video. And send the video when Snow and Akeem then in the living room. And they never really dance by each other, you know, but Snow stand up a wine and Akeem. Snow stand up a wine and Akeem and the pan Snow so. Like Snow just there so. And Akeem stand up here so. Snow never there bend over pan him and wine, you know. In just stay here so. Me soon I'd blame them. Man a time me bust up this. Me soon I'd blame them. Snow stand up Snow and Akeem stand up behind a Snow so and just a rub down Snow foot so. And that the video they leak. I don't know who video it. I have to smile in our house video it. I don't know who video it or the video come by. The video was sent into the group. One girl named Pinky released the blood clot video. She got post it on her Instagram page. And the video start go viral. The video start go there and there. Pink Walla post the video is a trend. The video is a trend. Me repost the video. Bear in mind, me post the video, you know. I girl, Pinky first post the video. Everybody have the blood clot video post around. Me repost the video on my Instagram. And they out to kill me for post the video. Me have to take in here a first flight a man in Barbados. Because Nicholas say must send man at Jamaica come shoot me, kill me with millions of money. A good time. Shoot me up around the place there. He say man send man for come shoot me up. Chat me have to take a plane and go and me have to fly out. Me have to fly out go Barbados. Me never go Barbados for work. I fly out for safety. And when me over Barbados, me realize that me can't get the money so me have to start working at the club. About 6 months me stay in Barbados country. I'm come back to Jamaica finna overstay and head out the next blood clot day again. Because for sure you all Nicholas serious and want to take me head. You know, so when that at the live that you see. Remember the live? Listen. I could go back into it. Listen. Notice, you know. Alright, since I live me I tell. What kind of video we are talking about then? Me I go make una listen something. Tell Blam them soon Adam. Me I make una listen something and tell me what kind of video. Why is it a video that posts affect them so much. Everybody else post it and then add for everybody. Them add for me because me have a bigger platform and because me post it, it'll go viral. More want to listen to that video and listen how them attack. Hear how me attack. Me never be disrespectful to them, you know. I'm telling you, I'm afraid for my life, you know. The only thing me I say to them is, listen, everybody post the video and it's not a problem. Why me post it and it's a problem? Listen to the video.
I really want to expose the girl. This girl sent me a video last night. She don't know me from Adam. She said, Ivany, I see that video I'm after saying. She sent me, look, I post it on Instagram. You are going to come text me.
This is Nicholas. Hold on, this is Nicholas, because when I post the video, him click him live and me say him will kill me. And the people them say Nicholas the live and I suck up me and him giant live because Akeem them defender. And them master.
So what kind of problem that to post a video? You say me never have to post it.
Screenshot him. Screenshot him, so if you hear me dead at him, kill me chat, see him there. And you me dead at him this, Nicholas.
You build a blood clot video. But Ivany.
And me build video.
Wait a man. How can a coincidence that for that girl that just send you a video so one
See that?
Romeo in inbox. JL in the night and in a JL inbox. I just tell them story. I suppose them. So all the coincidence for the one girl can send them video and them two.
You want to expose the girl? You want me to expose the girl and show the girl? You want me to send the girl number?
More I drink one coffee that way. I've had to drink 2 coffee, more I drink the coffee. Post the girl now.
Alright, hold on. Get the live and you join it back.
The facts still remain. The facts still
They
remain.
want to kill me now, chat to talk. Mighty God of
You
them.
know you have one of my followers. You should
But
never
everybody have post it. Everybody have post the video.
No.
Everybody have post the video.
Find
Shit.
one on
You hear what I'm saying?
Expose the
You
girl.
hear what I'm saying?
For post it.
Ivany, you been. How can a coincidence?
You have one heap of followers, you should have posted. Hear him.
So one, Romeo in the night, in a Romeo inbox. JL in the night, in a JL inbox. I suppose, I just tell them story. I suppose them. So all the coincidence for the one girl can send them video and them two.
You want to expose the girl? You want me to expose the girl and show the girl? You want me to send the girl number?
More I drink one coffee that way. I've had to drink 2 coffee, more I drink the coffee. Post the girl now.
Alright, hold on. Get the live and you join it back.
The facts still remain. The facts still remain. You should never post it, repost it. Because you know you have one of my followers. You should
But
never
everybody have
repost
post it. Everybody have post the video.
No.
Everybody
You
have post the video.
Hold on. Everyone post it, but it's coming from your page.
You see how they want to kill me for talk for say them a batty man?
Everybody have post it.
Hold on. Everyone who come in my inbox. Them said, I'm telling you this, Ivany. You know me live comfortable. I don't know me well, alright. So when you have a repost...
You might watch me, hold on. Nicholas come suck out my Mackie level 40, level 100, level AK, shot, batty hole, and pussy hole. Like on the kill now, you can't kill me. You know, I'm not afraid. I don't know dirty batty man, you know, a long time batty man. You know, a batty man from 6 months in a belly. You know a batty man from 6 months in a belly. From when mama breed with you in a belly. And when mama take fucking her pussy hole. The cock rise go through fear pussy and go up in a phone look a batty hole. You know a batty man before she even give birth. That's how long you know a batty man. You can't do me nothing. I'm not afraid that you can't put no fear in me. I really want to do me something in America and give me my papers quick. Cause this is immigration something I really take long. Come! Dirty batty man. You a batty man. You and Akeem and Javi are Batman. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every year, every month, every blood clot day, every hour, every second, every minute. You know a Batman Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You know a Batman pan Christmas, Easter, New Year's. You know a Batman night. You know a Batman a day. You know a Batman when rain a fall. You know a Batman when sun a blood clot shine. You know a Batman in a every 20 this, every 30 that. You know a Batman in this generation, and you will be Batman in the next generation. Even when Armageddon come and God come for the land, you know a still Batman. Yeah. You know a Batman, and it can't change. Foreign and yard and abroad, you know a Batty blood clot man. Toddler stage, newborn stage, teenager stage, adult stage, old stage, you know, still Batman. You know, Batman living, you know, a Batman dead in 6 feet deep under, you know, still, I want to know, all the blood clot when the grave, I want to know, bone the under the ground 6 feet deep, you know, still Batman. Yeah, that's truth. If you know, if you go kill me for talking truth, if you go kill me for talking truth, because I want to know what I gun to my head, but still I look pound and say, you know, Batman. Now, Batman for true. How the fuck you want? And let me tell you something. He ma fuck be a top man of Jamaica, you know. He ma fuck the toughest policeman them a new we call it new what that's her name? Newtown, New Kingston. He ma fuck the toughest Batman them a New Kingston. I don't know nothing about you come to me, but I know what you're capable. I don't know what the fuck you're capable of doing. And from 2015, you're capable of sending man to come back to me, and I know me can't see one come. That's all your destiny do. I promise people box kick and you can't blood clot. I know me can't see them. I be a promise and a promise lick. You have to go owe me that. Oh. Watch out. I notice how me not diss him and then diss me, you know.
Them can't go back home. They never clean art and they will always.
You mean them can't go back home?
No, we not post them. We not post them in the video. We not build one. We not build a video with them. We not post them picture night.
Listen, this is the second time a video I post. It's not the first time a video make with them. They make a video the first time. Somebody said me in an Instagram. One girl named Natty did post them and somebody send me screen record it off on Natty Live. Send it to me.
You see you now. You see you, Ivany. You see you. Your arms are pretty up things.
Them want to kill me chat if...
Pretty up things. You observe that.
Pretty up things.
I'm going to report to them. I can't to the police station.
Pretty up things.
But the whole of them fuck you. But Ivany, the whole of them blood clot fuck you. The whole of them fuck you.
And if the whole of them fuck me, oh it hurts you.
You shouldn't be ashamed for blood clot.
Oh it hurts you.
You shouldn't be ashamed for blood clot post them. Ivany, one of them fuck you. And you post them. So back man, they catch them, I do not know. They catch them pan a blood clot, man. Ivany, they catch them pan a man.
Javi fuck me. Javi. And Javi was
the whole of them fuck you. The whole of them fuck you. But alright then.
Yeah, you me call Javi name. If this not have nothing to do with Javi, all me I call Javi them name. If this live not have nothing to do with Javi them, all me I call Javi them name.
But you shouldn't be ashamed for posting video, girl.
Watch him, watch him.
Listen, put up the basketball them with a shame for posting. Are you reposting on a shame? Ivany, me come a Barbados see a blood clot and I need a phone.
If me tell them to run that Barbados and you want to come a Barbados for me now.
Move your tongue on your blood clot. Remember you never them back to wall. Ivany, remember you never them back.
Me run from Jamaica go Barbados and the man still a check them say more come Barbados for me.
You think a blood clot you can stand on a beat you? Wait till me see you got the girl. You think a blood clot you can stand on a beat you? You think a blood clot you can stand on a beat you?
And them shoot me a mega mad shot. And them shoot me a mega mad. Them want to take me life. They want to take me life in a danger.
Why you don't go and for them?
Right, but free
No, me ask for you because them fuck you. Me ask for blood clot you. Cause one of them fuck you. Me ask for blood clot you.
Make you meet me at Clark's airport and do this.
When somebody, you know, me can't come Barbados to take care for the pool. Tell me which play the dance for Barbados.
Why would the fuck would I tell you that?
You're not the video. You're in the video.
Why would I tell you where I work for you to come acid me? Are you crazy?
That's why you're not dead, no blood clot.
A long time they keep
You
eating.
them one brush.
Yeah, they said that's why you're not dead. You're good.
Don't me no blood clot. That's why you're not dead. That's why you're not dead, no blood clot. You see them one brush. You see them look yellow, no blood clot. You see them one brush full of AIDS, no blood clot. AIDS on your mouth, your blood clot. Gonorrhea, syphilis, everything on your mouth, your blood clot. Ivany, you want one bed, no blood clot.
Everywhere, my love. Put me there.
And then take me on and cut me if they want to kill me.
Show me that.
Why the fuck me that showing in my house? What you take me I eat that? You don't know say chat. It go as far as now. Me I tell you how serious it get now. Me don't know if you remember this. Me I try to put it back down in the memory lane. You don't know say it go as far as after that live they did go on and they look at argument go on da. You know say me dey Barbados for about 6 months now, you know. Me dey Barbados for about 6 months now. I go and cool off and I work. I come back from Barbados. Fuck you want me come back from Barbados and I end up go back, come back from Barbados, so I no overstay and then I end up go back doing the same week. Clutch over there, and things they get slow. So I say no, and everything sold up on the internet. I go back to Jamaica. Chat. I go back to Jamaica and go one party. And I get one call, so I feel left the party because Nicholas them a come, so them a go come blood me up at the party, them a go come acid me. Me have a blood clot, run out of the party and go me yard. Me have to run out of the party, take taxi and go me yard. Me never know say him actually there Jamaica, but still me not take no check. Me go me yard. You know say Nicholas here say me left Barbados and come back to Jamaica. Then tell the Nicholas there Panama, you know. Nicholas never, you see when they on live media, Barbados and a Panama. I don't know where the other person they where did that cost me to. But Nicholas did a Panama. Yeah, you know, said Nicholas take the blood clot plane from Panama and come to Jamaica, say man beat me up because me expose Akeem and Javi them. The man literally booking flight from Panama and come to Jamaica. In the day and he come and the whole time in there Jamaica, me locking in my house, me not go nowhere. Me no go nowhere. Me locking in my house, I don't go out. To how him can't catch me, you know what him do? He must go KFC. I don't know if we can go up on Blood Clot, TikTok, YouTube and find that video there. He go KFC and go buy much KFC for the hungry people them downtown. Cause him can't catch me. He go KFC go buy how much box of chicken and drive him car go downtown and I give out the KFC them to the homeless people them downtown. Each person give one KFC box and give them money. That video they did up on Blood Clan in the live. And I said, boy, Ivany, I can't hold him. I do something with my time when I'm there. And he got KFC downtown and give people them KFC and give them money. Man, the rest of Batman, them and did that video. I don't left out of my yard. Them promise me, so them will kill me. You see, from that day, I don't speak on them. I love them. I not have nothing to say about them. I think of this, you have this Batman. You see like how they call the dream, that you don't know dream blizzard they call mother. You see how the little girl them kind of rate, they call him mother and they rate him or something and we talk to him. You have this, I remember what him name, I did have this Batman man. I don't know if I did Bima or somebody else. Yeah, I don't know, honestly I don't remember who, but you did have one Batman where did rate me. He did rape me and him and Nicholas them I did so. Him talk to Nicholas them and tell him say just leave Vanya alone, leave Vanya alone. And after that he calm down and he go back to Panama. From that me and him won't never meet back. And me see them and me just load them blood clot. So me know who kill off now. Anybody will speak for Akeem, want to speak for them say them a Batman, them out for clear and them out for wipe on out. And best believe them have to do the job because them have Nicholas them defender to come defend. Blame them the life. We blame them there. Them have Nicholas where them defender for defend them. Cause everybody talk and me roll out pan. Go suck out your mama when you can't trick me. I'm afraid of you. I'm afraid of your blood clot. Dirty Batman. We blame them there. Like him come off alive. I'm afraid of you. I mean, as a man in light, me I tell the police them say no one kill me if I show them a video. Guys, when you call Donia, me not just see me come off. Tell Donia if you add me chat. Spam Donia, tell him add me. Anybody will speak pan then they want kill you. Wanna think Rosalie them can't talk and Diamond them can't talk. But they ever open up them mouth no? And see if I not dirt. You see a man where I give them roses, I see a man I dirt them. Make Rosalie ever open up her blood clot mouth like she want come on the internet out of fear. And look a voice note there and nothing. Make them come on the internet and open up their mouth and talk something like a fax. Or spill no look nothing and you see what. My life in a danger!
What they do you? I want to do to you now.
Lord Jesus, me need a tunnel. Me no know what me